Okay, so before I start, let us ask you a question. Did you like taking a photo and video?
Yes.
Okay.
So memories, yes. Definitely.
Okay. This is my task in our cooking project. Today I will talk about my task in our cooking project. In my presentation, first I will explain you how you can create the PPT models, and then I explain you how you can take the photo and the video. So now let us start. Okay, for the PPT, I choose the model in Canva, in the Canva site web, and after that, I will create all graffiti in the PPT, and I choose a color and all text in the PPT. After that, for the photo and the video, I choose the phone, Betty phone, and I capture a best moment of the cooking project in the market or in the preparation kitchen, and I create all videos in our cooking project. This is all my task in the cooking project. To conclude, I said that the task helped me show my creativity, my teamwork, and my communication in the project. Thank you. Okay, I need the floor in art. to